Yeah, hi everyone. So, in this video, we will see the plugins management. Okay, the plugins are very crucial things. Okay, so which are running in your backend and providing the functionality of your Jenkins. Okay, so without the plugin, any small functionality of your Jenkins won't work. Okay, the complete your Jenkins is depending on your plugins only. Okay, so the plugins are which are running in the backend and providing the functionalities of your Jenkins like triggering the jobs, creating the jobs and the types of the jobs and making connections to the other servers, tools and checking out the code, okay, and creating the builds, okay, creating the build artifacts and sending the email notification and even restarting your service, okay, restarting your Jenkins service and taking the backups, so many functionalities. Okay, so complete your Jenkins is depends on your plugins only. If you remember, the moment we are setting up the dashboard of the Jenkins, so at the time it is suggested us to install the some default plugins. Okay, so Git plugin, um, pipeline plugin, email plugin. So these are the default. Okay, so there are around 200 plugins supporting for this Jenkins. 2000 plugins available. Okay, with help of these plugins only your Jenkins is working. Okay, so now we will see as a DevOps engineer, you should remember minimum 15 to 20. Okay, so at least you should remember the 15 to 20 plugins. Okay, so we will see slowly. So I will list out 10 to 15 plugins. So later I will provide in the description. Okay, so you can get familiar with the plugin and its functionalities. Okay, so default plugins like Git plugin for check out the code. Okay, SSH agent plugin to communicate to the other servers. Okay, and pipeline plugin to create the pipeline jobs. Okay, so Docker plugin to related the Docker and the safe restart plugin. It's a very important one. So this is very important thing and the interview question also. How will you restart your Jenkins? Okay, with the help of the safe restart plugin and extended email plugin. Okay, email extended. Okay, and Maven integration plugin. This is also very important. Okay, why? Because with help of this plugin, so you are uh, accurately providing the Maven related Java projects. So Maven is supporting for the Java programming language, right? Java projects, right? So if you install with if you go with the Maven integration, you might be having more options. Okay, so Maven integration plugin, ThinBackup plugin. So ThinBackup plugin means which is for the taking the Jenkins backup, ThinBackup plugin. Okay, Jacoco plugin. So which is for the documentation purpose. After creating the build, so documentation. Okay, CloudBees plugin, very important. CloudBees. In future we will use this one. CloudBees, which is for the Docker build, Docker push, the Docker image build and image push for for this purpose we are using this one. Okay, and Kubernetes plugins are there. Kubernetes. Okay, so K8's plugins. So many 2000 plugins are available. Okay, so we will see the installed the at the beginning we installed some suggested plugins, right? So we will see in the dashboard. Okay, so at least you should remember 15 to 20 guys as a DevOps engineer. Why? Because always we are working on the Jenkins only, right? So you should know each and everything about your Jenkins. Okay. So now let me show you the installed plugins. Out of installed, how many enabled also I will show you. Okay, that is also very important. So go to your Jenkins dashboard. So click on the manage Jenkins. See, these are under admin activities. Install the plugin, enable the plugin, uninstall the plugin, update the plugin. So these kind of things are comes under the administrator task, right? So definitely you should log in by a admin user. Okay, so I logged in by admin. That is the reason I'm seeing this manage Jenkins option here. Okay, so user management and all we will see. So for the user management also there is a plugin called role strategy plugin. Okay, so user role strategy plugin. Okay, so user role strategy plugin we will see. Fine, so role strategy plugin and all we will see. So now let me click on this manage Jenkins. Okay, so this is the page. Simply click on here. See plugins, add, remove, disable, enable plugins that can be extend the functionality of the Jenkins. Just now I told, right? Based on your plugins only, your Jenkins functionalities are working. Okay, so simply click on here. So in the left side, you might see options like updates, available, installed, and advanced option. I will tell you what is this advanced also. So simply you can click on the installed one, which means these all are already installed. So out of this, couple of things only enable. See, enable this one, email extension enable, and Git branch enable, and Gradle enable. These are the things. Okay, so this is the install the plugins. Now if you want to install, now if you want to go any new installation of plugin, so simply click on the available, then simply search with that name. Okay, so search with like let me install Maven integration. Yes, this is the one. So simply click on, and here you have the two options: install without restart. Okay, so download and install after restart. Fine. So you just go with without restart, guys. So the Maven not required for the restart to reflect. But sometimes interviewers they will ask. So I just want to uninstall the plugin. So restart is required or not? So obviously required, guys. So for uninstall of the plugin, that also we will see later. So if you want to uninstall the plugin, just uninstall it and you have to restart. Then only it will reflect. Fine. So see, success. That's it. This is the simple way to install your plugin. So go to top of your page again, manage Jenkins plugins. Now you can see in the installed list. See, Maven integration, right? Maven integration. See, installed. This is the version 3 by 22. That's it. Very simple way. So no need to worry. So just if you want to install anything, just click on the available, search and check, select that one and go with install without restart option. That's it, guys. So this is the way install your plugins. Fine. So so far what we discussed, so this is come to the online installation. Okay. So which means download and install automatically. Okay, so you can download the things and you can install automatically. You just select with the name and checkbox install without restart. That's it. Automatically it will download and it will install. This is online. There is offline also. Okay, so there is offline installation also, but in interviews they will ask how do you install the offline, the plugins are in offline. Okay, so that we will see in the next video, how to install the plugins in the offline. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching.